Hello and welcome. Today, we'll dive into using IPTV on your Apple TV. If you've ever wondered about IPTV's magic, you're in the right place. We'll explore how you can easily set it up on your beloved Apple TV. The experience you'll get is nothing short of amazing. Let's proceed quickly. First, open the App Store on your Apple TV and search for IPTV apps. Once you find a suitable app, download and open it without delay. Now, why choose 2TV.store for your IPTV needs? Let's dive into that. 2TV.store offers a vast selection of channels from all over the globe. Their seamless service ensures you're never out of touch with entertainment. Plus, reliability and customer service are top-notch, assuring complete satisfaction. After registering on 2TV.store, you'll receive your M3U playlist link directly. Input this M3U link into the downloaded IPTV app on Apple TV. Prepare for an avalanche of content at your fingertips with limitless options. Whether you crave USA's reality shows or UK's exciting dramas, it's all here. Join countless satisfied users who say goodbye to conventional TV today. Click that link below and transform your viewing experience with IPTV today.